Hi again. Now we will create a web service that we already talked about. For that, I'm gonna launch Visual Studio 2010 and select File, New and New Website. So in project type, I will select Visual Basic. In the templates pane, I will select Web Service ISP, and for the location file, I will just change the name of my service and enter my web service and click OK. As you can see, Visual will load. So to calculate the turnover of a client, we have to set a query that will do that. So I already created it here, and for unit price I put between brackets because it contains space. So we return to Visual Studio. Here I'm gonna import SQL client, and for the function I will change its name and say f calculate the turnover, and the input will decode client as string, and the function will return a double. I will change it. So to do that, I have to create a variable for my connection, and here for the SQL connection I will go on the desktop and I will create a new text document. I will write connect, and I will change the extension to UDL. I will enter, and here those will give us a message box. So I really want to change it, and I double click. So here I will select the provider and click next. Here I'm gonna select the name of my server, that's HPSAD, and here I want to use security with Windows NT new technology, and here I'm gonna select my database control, and I'm gonna test the connection. It succeed. Click OK and click OK. To know the name of your server, it's here in the SQL Server Management Studio. So, and I will right click and open it with Notepad. I will select from integrated to the end and copy, and go to Visual Studio and paste it here. I will open my connection and create a new variable for my command. Also, I'm gonna create the command and select the type and go with the command text. we change it. And to execute our command, we're gonna execute it as a scalar, because the query will return only one value. And it's done. I'm gonna run it. So here we see that Visual has created the server of development for ISP. It will take time because it's the first time. Click on calculate turnover and select ASCII. It's the code name of the client, and click call. So here our function calculates our turnover of a specific client, and it's done. So here, as you can see, I just create a web service that can be used by another application, and it's only in a local server. Thank you.